Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 2, Feb March 2022. Question number 2. Figure 2.1 shows a spring balance used to measure the weight of a baby. The spring inside the balance extends when mass is suspended from it. The dial shows the extension of the spring as a value of mass in kg. This diagram is given to you. A baby is hanging with the spring balance for its measuring its weight. The spring obeys the Hooke's law to the weight of 175 Newton. Part number A is state the Hooke's law. So answer is very simple. For 1 mark, within the elastic limit. Within elastic limit, load is directly proportional to extension. So this is the statement of the Hooke's law. Within the elastic limit, load is directly proportional to extension. Second part of the question states that state the relationship between mass of the baby and force exerted on the spring due to a baby. So there is a relation between force and mass, on only and only one relation, that force is equal to mass multiplied by its gravity. This is only the one relation we have. The reading of the spring balance is 8.0 kg. Determine the force exerted on the spring due to the baby. So you need to calculate a force. So simple. F is equal to m multiplied by g, that is the weight, that is equal to force. So mass is given 8, gravity, the value of gravity is 10. So answer is 80 Newton. B part of the question. The limit of proportionality for the spring at the force 175 Newton. Sketch the extension load graph for the spring. The sketch must continue beyond the force 175 Newton. So here is 175 Newton. Up to 175 Newton, Hooke's law is obeyed. So definitely if Hooke's law is obeyed, then line is a straight, and after that the graph line is not straight because force is now increasing. So part number C, the baby is carried from a ground floor to the bedroom. The vertical weight of the bedroom above the ground floor is 3.5 meter. The vertical height of the bedroom above the ground floor is 3.5 meter. Calculate the change in gravitational potential energy of the baby when it is carried from ground floor to the bedroom. So from the question we can imagine, like if we can imagine this is a ground floor and here is a bedroom that is round about 3.5 meter above the ground floor. So this is height. You need to calculate the change in gravitational potential energy. So we know that gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. Mass is given, that is 8, gravity is 10, height is 3.5. When you will calculate, you will get answer 280 joules.